Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add the credit card or debit card information into the Bitwarden desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is click on the plus right here and then select the card. Right here, we can name it and it's required. So for example, MasterCard. And let's say it will be the first card. Now here we can add it to folders. So for example, you create a folder named cards and then you will find it there. So for example, I can add it to hard reset info. And here we have the card holder name. So as you guys can see, we're starting to fill out the card details. Now here, as you guys can see, let's enter the number. And here it will automatically select the brand. Now here we can select the expiration date, and basically it's a month and a year. So now let's do it like that, and here enter the 3-digit security code. After that, what you guys can do is add some notes to this card. So for example, Visa, as you guys can see, we got the Visa details, and here we can also enable to enter the password before using it. So now we can click save, and as you guys can see here, we have our card added. Now it's also in the hard reset info. As you guys can see, it's in the card category, it's in the hard reset info folder, and here we have the information about our card. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.